To add a Bluetooth widget to your iPhone, start by opening the Settings app. This is where you can manage and customize various features of your device, including Bluetooth connections. In the Settings app, scroll down and select the Control Center option. The Control Center is a centralized hub where you can access frequently used features and settings. And it is also where you can add, remove, and customize widgets. Once you are in the Control Center settings, locate the Customize Controls section. This section allows you to add or remove controls and features from your Control Center. Scroll down through the list of available controls and find the Bluetooth option. Tap the green plus sign next to it to add the Bluetooth widget to your Control Center. After adding the Bluetooth widget, you can access it by swiping up from the bottom of your screen to open the Control Center. You should now see the Bluetooth widget displayed as an option. To use the Bluetooth widget, simply tap on it to toggle Bluetooth on or off. When Bluetooth is enabled, you can connect to nearby devices such as headphones, speakers, or cars. It is also a good idea to customize your Control Center to fit your needs and preferences. You can rearrange the order of the controls and widgets by tapping and holding on the three horizontal lines next to each option and dragging it to your desired position. By following these steps, you can easily add a Bluetooth widget to your iPhone and enjoy the convenience of quickly accessing and managing your Bluetooth connections. This feature can be especially useful if you frequently use Bluetooth devices, as it saves you time and effort by providing a quick and easy way to connect and disconnect from devices.